voiceover Pinky here, and my brother, and my mom, and my dad. And today's Saturday, so that means Barn Adventures vlog. And we are on our way to the barn, and it is 25 degrees outside. And it's snowing, and we're supposed to get 2 really big snowstorms tonight and tomorrow. So, yeah. And so we're supposed to get like a foot of snow. Ugh. Yay, I hate snow. Yeah, so anyway, we're on our way to the barn, and we'll see you outside. Peace. Hi, Penny. Where's Chloe? I do it musically. I found you. It is. Snow out there?
This might be the World Shores vlog.
Yes. Well, Donna's here. She's speedy fast.
Speedy fast.
So
helped us get the horses, and it's snowing pretty good, so.
It is?
Yeah.
We're gonna buy. Might be my last vlog. What is
he helping you do it musically? Hi, Bodie. Hi, Bodie. Is he helping you?
Look how big my boat is.
I like your hat. It looks like a horse head.
What? Oh, when you go around.
What are you doing out there? Shoveling? It's snowing pretty good, isn't it?
I don't know if it's snowing.
It's snowing out there.
Yeah.
Okay, here's outside. It's snowing. It's sticking. Hi, Titan. Whoa, what are you doing? I think that says yes. I would like some hay right now. Yes.
All right, let's roll.
The cat was following you, but it went that way. Hi, where's Willie? Have you seen Cowboy?
Where's Willie?
Okay, we just need Cowboy. Making sure all the cats are in here before we leave.
Well, it's Cowboy. Hi, Nikita. Don't go out there. It's gonna be cold. It's gonna be cold. Oh, yes, yes. What? Okay. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Hi, Nikita. Hi, kitty girl. What? Oh, you're good. You're okay. You're all fluffy. So yes. It's snowing pretty hard out there. So hopefully we make it home alive because we didn't take the truck. We took the stinking van. Hi, George. Here's Noel's old stall. Hi, George. He's cute. I like George. Oh, did you miss me? Did you miss me? You just had to come back? Rejected. Okay. Yeah, go up there and stay there. Let's go see Gabe. Here's Gabe. Gabe. Come here. Hi. Hi, Gabe. Gabe is so sweet. I think he's my favorite now. He's my favorite horsey. Man, you have a piece of hay on your head. Or not. Nikita, no, go up there. Orange cat, Dad. Say yo. Yo.
Yo.
Yo.
Yo.
Yo.
Yo.
Horse butt. Yeah, I found the Kita. Ninja cat. What are you doing? What are you doing up there? Are you king of the barn? Or something? Or queen, sorry. Oh, the battery's light's flashing. Okay, so I'm here by Gabe. Gabe, come here. Anyway, so battery light's flashing, and that will be the end of this vlog. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook. Links to that are always in the description box below. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.